G'day, how's it going? So tonight we've come out to the Siam area. We're just right outside Siam Paragon. And we're going to have a look around this area. It's a Sunday the 15th of March. And it's what? 6:45 p.m. So let's just see what it's like at the moment. See how busy it is. Just hit Siam Square and it looks pretty busy actually. What are we looking at now? 7:15. Someone famous.
โฟโต้บูธเหรอใช่ก็คืออ๋อใช่ใช่เราไม่สามารถอัดเกณฑ์คนเข้าไปในโฟโต้บูธได้ไงพี่ก็เลยไม่ได้ถ่ายใช่ก็เลยไม่ได้ถ่ายไม่ได้หรอกมันแลที่เกินไปญี่ปุ่นอะไรญี่ปุ่นทำอะไรเราทำอะไร
Not sure what that's all about. Everyone's got their phones up though. If you know who that is, you can leave a comment and enlighten us. Well, that was our quick look at the Siam area, Siam Paragon and Siam Walking Street. So it looks like it's fairly busy, even though it's a Sunday night. But yeah, we'll finish it up here because we're about to jump on the BTS. So yeah, if you watched it this far, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.